Hello, today I'm in OMODA 9. In this video I'll show you how to navigate through instrument cluster display. In the beginning, take a look at the instrument cluster and we are going to navigate through it via this button. Press the button to switch menu on the right side. Right here we can find battery level, trip info, tire pressure, map, and last 50 kilometers trip info. To reset it, press and hold this button. Also on the instrument cluster we can find lane assistant status, odometer, assistant menus, driving info, speed limiter, range, speedometer, and conditions. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.